सी है आदत तुम्हारी, लागे लगे ना ही छूटे छुड़ाए। पानी में जैसे घुलता नमक है मुझ में तू बस नजर नहीं आए। धागे बिना तुझसे रूह जुड़ गई है, ख्वाबों में भी है तेरी सिलसिलेदारियां। एक जैसा हाल तेरा मेरा, इश्क है मिसाल तेरा मेरा, बहने लगी है आज देखो रेतों पे भी कश्तियां। एक जैसा हाल तेरा मेरा, इश्क है मिसाल तेरा मेरा, सजने लगी हजारों ख्वाबों से खाली थी जो कभी पलकों की बस्तियां। रब ने बनाए हैं रंग इतने, तेरी वफा का रंग सबसे सुर्ख है। जितनी दफा ना धड़का है ये दिल, उतनी दफा यार तेरा जिक्र है। आगे तेरे ना नजर कोई आए, मुझ पे चले सिर्फ तेरी ही मनमानियां। एक जैसा हाल तेरा मेरा, इश्क है मिसाल तेरा मेरा, बहने लगी है आज देखो रेतों पे भी कश्तियां। एक जैसा हाल तेरा मेरा, इश्क है मिसाल तेरा मेरा, सजने लगी हजारों ख्वाबों से खाली थी जो कभी पलकों की बस्तियां। इश्क में दिल बना है, इश्क में दिल फना है। ओ मिटा दे या बना दे, मैंने तुझको चुना है। ओ तेरे सारे रंग ओढ़ के डंग ओढ़ के तेरा हुआ मैं सबको छोड़ के। चले तेरी ओर तेरा चले है जोर लफ्ज़ झूम लूं मैं, उर्दू की किताब सा है।
इश्क़ ख्वाब ख्वाब सा है मेरा, बेहिसाब सा है। तेरे लफ्ज़ चूम लूं मैं, उर्दू की किताब सा है।
जग तेरे लिए छोड़ी इश्क में दिल बना है, छोड़ी इश्क में दिल बना है।
خليك شدي عطني رقصة الفريسة، زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة، حق المحتار اللي نعرفه صيده، مسويلي وقفة انا هيبة. عيل سوي رقصة بياض، يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض، طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا. سوي رقصة ثانية، رقصة البطريق ولا السبتة في مان. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. حلو حلو زين مكانه حلو، رقصة طقلي صرناي. اقول عطني رقصة كلمة تاي، اقول سوي رقصة هلو دبي، زيد لي شكر وايد وانا اشرب لي جاي. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي اي والله ها فليبر دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب، اسمها الصبوحة خطبها نصيب. مد يدك كنا بتعطيها كف، وهز شتفك حيل خليك شديد. عطني رقصة الفريسة، زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة، حق المحتار اللي نعرفه صيده، مسويلي وقفة انا هيبة. عيل سوي رقصة بياض، يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض، طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا. سوي رقصة ثانية، رقصة البطريق ولا سبتة في مان. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. نظامه والليل مش في عبوري يا ودل، لان احنا شايلين هالليلة يبا شيل. اقول عطني رقصة طقلي صرناي، اقول عطني رقصة كلمة تاي، اقول سوي رقصة هلو دبي، زيد لي شكر وايد وانا اشرب لي جاي. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة. يا اخي دوس دوس عندي خوش فصلة، يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش رقصة.
Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. Hello. Hello.
I said 23.
Hello.
Strive for greatness.
Hello. Thank you so much for coming. To our parents, to our cousins, to our friends, family, and friends like family,
Ladies and
our colleagues, colleague like families.
Ready for this.
We'd like to thank all of you for being part of our celebration the whole week. And thanks for being there for us today. We're gonna share rings with each other in front of all of you, and then we would like to thank Neerav who put all this together. Neerav ji is there in the hall. Yes. Yes. We'd like to thank the bride and groom's family here, and we also have our cousins also here, and a lot of Visa and GoDaddy colleagues everywhere. So thank you so much to everyone for coming. And yeah, my friends are here. Please come on stage. Yes. Yeah. We still follow Indian Standard Time.
Before we get started, guys, I think we should definitely hear the story from them. So, would you please do the honor?
They want to tell our story. Okay, our story starts somewhere in 2023 October. Yeah, 23 October is when I first pinged her and got her number and pinged her, and of course I was friend zoned. And then again in 2024, I think in February, I pinged her again. And then, and then this time I got a response. And then we met in San Carlos. And then thanks to GoDaddy, I'm a remote employee. I get to travel as I please. My boss is sitting right there. So I frequented California time and again to both go to my office and also meet her. And yeah, it's been about 2 years now. And then I decided, like all happy stories, we had our ups and downs. And then finally we decided to move to the next step. And we went to Florida. That's where I proposed to her. It was a surprise, but she saw that coming. But she at least did a good job pretending it was a surprise. Yeah, and then since then we called our parents and all our friends right from there in Miami, and then we pulled all of this together. But this is like no Indian wedding. Pulling off an Indian wedding in America is very hard. Everybody was part of the event last few days, knows how difficult it was. Thanks to every one of you. Yeah, that's about our story, and our story doesn't end here. 60 more years to go, maybe. Thanks to you, and I hope you're all part of that 60 years. Thanks.
I think you pretty much covered everything. But I just want to thank my friends who are standing here, Vaibhavi, Renuka, Samata, Kate. Especially these three were there from 2015, 2016. They've been my friends throughout, and like they've been with me ups and downs. So, and special thanks to Kate. She was amazing, and she was my best friend. She became my best friend throughout this process. And thanks everybody for coming in and making our day special. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Wait. Like now that she thanked her friends, I should do too. Okay, so I think if he's not there, the oldest friend I've had here for about 12 years now is Ashik. He's been, again, through all the highs and lows. Yeah, he lives in Lathrop, so whenever I come here, I usually stay in Lathrop. My boss often asks, how long do you take to come to the office? And I say 2 hours. Yeah, this is why. And Parag, Pawan, Anup, Prasen, and Gaurav, I know them through CMU. We're all CMU grad. Pawan is sort of pseudo CMU grad now because he hangs out with us. And after a decade in Singapore, I moved to the US, and this was my family after I came to the United States. Yeah, all of them. Yeah, I thank every one of you. So now that I thanked everyone, I think it's time. We're going to share rings now.
Okay, guys, I want everyone to stand up and please cheer the couple. Let them do this moment, live this moment again. Whoa! Nice. Okay. Guys, you guys can sit down. Just to lighten up the mood, we're going to play a really small game. Okay? It's called the shoe game. I'll have the couple come downstairs. Please.
जो गिरी।
तो नाचो आज छम 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 छम। मैं नाचो आज छम 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 छम। मैं नाचो आज गीली हवाएं झूमती है तन को मेरे झूमती है छोड़ के ये शर्म वरम झूम ये जिया। कोई भी कहे कुछ भी यहाँ मैंने तो कभी सुना कहा दिल ने मेरे जो भी कहा मैंने वो किया। इस पल को मैं आज जी लूं जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा कल। मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल है सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम। मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम। बारिशों की ताल पे ये खनक मेरे धड़कनों की कह रही है झील तू जरा। बार बार साथ मेरे सारे अब थिरकने लगे डोले ज़मीन नाचे आसमां। मैं तो हवा हूँ हाथ न आऊं मर्जी से अपनी उड़ती ही जाऊं। खुद की करूं मैं क्या तारीफ़ें रात ने चुराया मेरा काजल। मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम। मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम।
है पल दो पल जिंदगी ये आज है कल नहीं। पाया क्या खोया क्या परवाह नहीं है हम साथ हैं तो है लम्हा हंसी है। जितना भी जीना है इस पल में जीना है छोड़ो ना कुछ कल पे। इश्क करो दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से। इश्क करो ओ दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से। ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से। कहा है सभी ने यूं फिक्रों में जीने से होगा भला क्या बता। आवारा सा बन के यूं गिर के संभल के ही मिलता है खुद का पता। सांसों से आगे भी ये जिंदगी है हम साथ है तो हर लम्हा हंसी है। जितना भी जीना है इस पल में जीना है छोड़ो ना कुछ कल पे। इश्क करो दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से। इश्क करो ओ दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से।
Okay, guys, please settle down. We have the brother of the bride who will be dedicating a song for the couple. So let's give him a hand and please settle down.
This is Manoj. He's my brother-in-law. Yeah, the last 4 days wouldn't have happened if not for him. Thank you so much. And he's an eligible bachelor, if you all know anybody. Yeah, he's next in line.
First of all, I would like to formally congratulate the couple, my sister, Anjani Sweta, and newlywed husband of hers, Shiva Shankaran. No, of course, you're first her husband and then my brother-in-law. So congratulations, and I prepared a couple of songs the last minute, and I would love to dedicate those songs to you. So please take a seat and enjoy. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna find some of the songs, you know, the lyrics of some of the songs that are gonna come up. So please mime what I'm doing with my sister. So hopefully you capture something. I need to get my key, so just a second. ओ चलिया ना प्रिय सखियाची जारिनु ना मनसे ये चोटादी जारिनदोआ जाडी मरचितिने నియాదెలలో చిక్కుకుంది అని నీ పదముల చేరితినే ప్రేమంటే ఎన్ని అగచాట్లో మన కలయిక తెలిపినదే నా గుండెలలో ప్రేమ పరవశమై ఇరు కన్నులు సోలెనులే என்னவளே அடி என்னவளே எந்தன் இதயத்தை தொலைத்து விட்டேன் எந்த இடம் அது தொலைந்த இடம் வந்து இடத்தையும் மறந்து விட்டேன் உந்தன் கால் கொலுசில் அது தொலைந்ததென்று இந்தன் காதலு தேடி வந்தேன் காதலென்றால் பெரும் அவஸ்தை என்று உந்தன் கண்டது கண்டு கொண்டேன்
எந்தன் கழுத்து வரை இன்று காதல் வந்து இரு கண் விழி பிதுங்கி நின்றே
என்னவளே அடி என்னவளே எந்தன் இதயத்தை தொலைத்து விட்டேன் ఈ పూట చెలి నా మాట ఇక కరువైపోయెనులే అధరము నడుమను ఏదో అలజడి రేగెనులే వీక్షణలు నిరీక్షణలు వరక్షణముక యుగమేలే చూపులన్నీ వెంటాడినట్టు మది కలవరమాయెనులే இது சொர்க்கமா நரகமா சொல்லடி உள்ளபடி நான் வாழ்வதும் விடை கொண்டு போவதும் உன் வார்த்தையில் உள்ளதடி என்னவளே அடி என்னவளே
எந்தன் இதயத்தை தொலைத்து விட்டேன் எந்த இடம் அது தொலைந்த இடம் அந்த இடத்தையும் மறந்து விட்டேன்.
Give it up for Shiva. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna change the song. If you know the song, please mimic along. दिल ने तुमको चुन लिया है, तुम भी इसको चुनो ना. ख्वाब कोई देखता है, तुम भी सपने बुनो ना, दिल ये मेरा तुमसे कुछ कह रहा है, सुनो ना। दिल ये मेरा तुमसे कुछ कह रहा है, सुनो ना। दूर होकर भी दूर तुम नहीं हो, पास हो लेकिन पास क्यों नहीं हो। दूर होकर भी दूर तुम नहीं हो, पास हो लेकिन पास क्यों नहीं हो। तन्हा तन्हा समा, महकी महकी हवा, कह रहा है जहाँ जो, सुनो ना। दिल ने तुमको चुन लिया है, तुम भी इसको चुनो ना। ख्वाब कोई देखता है, तुम भी सपने बुनो ना। दिल ये मेरा तुमसे कुछ कह रहा है, सुनो ना। Thank you, thank you. I have some more for you. Right. I'm pretty sure the next one you know, so I'm gonna call you back. पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया, तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया। जाने क्या होगा क्या पता, इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा। मैं हूँ यहाँ, तू है यहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ, भूल जा। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ, भूल जा। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ, भूल जा। Baby I love you, baby I love you, baby I love you so much. Oh I love you, oh I love you, I love you so much. छूने से तेरे हाथ तेरे फीकीरतों को रंग लगे, तेरी दिशा में क्यों चलने से मेरे पैरों को पंख लगे। रहा ना मेरे काम का जग सारा, हो बस तेरे नाम से ही गुजारा। उलझ के यूं ना सुलझ मैं सकूं, सवेरों का मेरे तू सूरज लागे।
तू मेरा कोई ना ओके भी कुछ लागे, बना ले पिया अपना, बना ले पिया
अपना बना ले, मुझे अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया, अपना बना ले पिया। दिल की नगर में शहर तू बसा ले पिया। थैंक यू।
I hope you find your baby very soon. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, that was brilliant. I mean, I don't know how many of you were there yesterday, but इनके family में इतने अच्छे singers हैं. Like yesterday though, they can actually have a concert in their family. Like genuinely. I saw like so many ladies singing like beautiful songs yesterday. So kudos, first of all. And let's play a game now, okay? We'll have Shiv and Shweta sit on chairs. And let's arrange the chairs, please. Let's come. Or if there's any special skill that you have that you want to dedicate. Anyone? Come on. I know you guys want to. Someone from this table wants to. Come on. Dennis, there is a request for you to sing a song. Madan, Dennis, please. Woo!
फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज बातें कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से पल पल तुझे तू सताती तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोया तेरी ही यादों में जागा तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा यूं जैसे कि माला में धागा हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार हाँ इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार
Okay, anybody from Shiv's side? Any of your Shiv's friends? Come on! Dennis, there's a request for you, please. On behalf of Shiv. Dennis! Come on. Song. Srinidhi, yes! We got one more. Come on. Srinidhi and Akriti. There's one more name that has come up. Come on. Akriti, come on. Yes. Come on, guys. Give them a big hands up. Woo!
கொஞ்சம் தூருமே என் அச்சம் ஆசை எல்லாமே தள்ளி போகட்டும் எந்த இன்பம் துன்பம் எல்லாமே உன்னை சேரட்டும் நான் பகலிரவு நீ கருநிலவு என் மேல் மழையில் கலந்திட நீ போதுமே நான் உன்னை நீங்க மாட்டேன் நீங்கினால் தூங்க மாட்டேன் ஜீவனே சுந்தரி கண்ணால் ஒரு சேதி சொல்லடி இந்நாள் நல்ல தேதி என்னையே தந்தேன் உனக்காக ஜன்மமே கொண்டேன் அதற்காக Sorry, I have a really bad cold, so don't mind my voice. அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே. உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை கொட்டுது, அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது. ஓஹோ கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. பொன்மணி உன் வீட்டில் சௌக்கியமா, நான் இங்கு சௌக்கியமே. உண்டான காயம் எங்கும் தன்னாலே ஆறி போன மாயம் என்ன பொன்மானே பொன்மானே. எந்த காயமான போதும் என் மேனி தாங்கிக் கொள்ளும் உந்தன் மேனி தாங்காது சென்றேனே. எந்தன் காதல் என்னவென்று சொல்லாமல் ஏங்க ஏங்க அழுகை வந்தது. எந்தன் சோகம் உன்னை தாக்கும் என்றெண்ணும் போது வந்த அழுகை நின்றது. மனிதர் உணர்ந்து கொள்ள இது மனித காதல் அல்ல, அதையும் தாண்டி புனிதமானது. அபிராமியே தாலாட்டும் சாமியே நான் தானே தெரியுமா. சிவகாமியே சிவனில் நீயும் பாதியே அதுவும் உனக்கு புரியுமா. சுபலாலி லாலிலே லாலி லாலிலே அபிராமி லாலிலே லாலி லாலியே. ஓஹோ கண்மணி அன்போடு காதலன் நான் எழுதும் கடிதமே. லாலலாலலா.
You guys want to play? No. Wait. No. Wait. We have, okay guys, come. We have one more performance from Shiv's crew. Come on. Come out the stage, please. Okay, for this performance, guys, they need energy from you, okay? So take your phone out, put your flashlight, and let's give them some support with that. Come on, take it out. And, yeah. And the best thing is that if their performance is not good, the exit stage is right here.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, मेरे मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। प्यार की गलिया बागों की कलिया सब रंग रलिया पूछ रही है। प्यार की गलिया बागों की कलिया सब रंग रलिया पूछ रही है। किस पंगट पे किस दिन गाएगी तू, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीते जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया।
Sorry everyone.
It takes a lot of guts when you know you can't sing, but you still want to. You guys did excellent. Nice. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, one last song.
Raven sings.
You want to sing? Come. Revant. Okay, Revant wants to dance. You want to dance? Okay, let's do the game. I think it'll lighten up the mood. And if anybody is preparing until then, you guys can like sing after. Okay, let's get the chairs, please. Yeah, I'll tell. So, guys, I need your support, okay? We all need to cheer for the couple. So, everybody participates. And if there are the questions that you want to ask, please feel free to. What we will do is. Let's say if I ask the question, who made the first move? Okay? The couple needs to decide who it is, and they will raise that shoe or that hand. Okay? And please, you guys will cheer. Let's hear their answers, guys. Come on. Who said I love you first? Woo! So the answer is Shiv. Who knew first that this was the one? This was the one. Ooh, Shweta. Who takes longer to get ready? Shweta. Who's the better driver? No, Shiv, you're not a better driver. I know Shiv. Ashik is here. Ashik, yes. So Shiv used to drive from like Mountain View up to Reno, like Tracy, right? Every time. And then there's a party going on at like 10 p.m. or something, and he starts driving. And we get a call around like 12 or 1 that Shiv has put his car into the trees like at 1 at night, and the car was totaled. So Shiv definitely is not a good driver for sure. Okay, who's more stubborn? Fast. Fast. Stubborn. Okay, they think the other person is more stubborn. Who spends more money? Dude, you need to show. Okay, Shiv and Shweta, both. Who's more likely to forget their anniversary? Yeah, that we know now. Who's the luckiest to found the other? Oh, okay. They both think they are. Okay. One last question. Who's messier? Nobody. Okay. Good answer. Okay, anyone else wants to ask any question from the crowd? Please shout your question. Let's see the answer to it. Come on. Okay, guys, by the way, the food is actually out now, like the main course. So if anybody wants to actually eat, they can. Who says sorry first? Wow. Really? You apologize? I don't think so. Who cooks better? Yeah, that is Shiv. He does make good food. I can vouch for that also. Sorry? Who enjoys doing dishes more? Wow, Shiv. Unanimously. Who shops more? Shweta. Nice. That's she's supposed to do. Anyone? Who's a better dancer? Okay. Shweta and Shiv, guys. You want to ask a question? Okay, last question. Yes, please go ahead. It can be as weird as possible. Last question. We give you the opportunity, please. Who spoils the other more? Okay. Shiv. Okay, guys, give them a big round. Okay. Everything going on, okay? So I think I call someone from the bride side first. And Vaibhavi, please, do you want to come?
Can you all hear me now? Okay. So I met Shweta about 3 years before at Visa, and at that time I think she was in India. But the moment I met the team, everyone was like, "Oh my God, you're Shweta Part 2." And I was like, everyone is just going and saying that you're Shweta Part 2, you're Shweta Part 2. And then finally, I think since she was in India, there was one Jira story for which I had to talk to her about. She was very disinterested. And that made me wonder, really am I like her? But I think over the past 3 years, I have come to realize that indeed we are kind of similar. And Shweta is, well, one of the most beautiful and kindest souls that I've ever met. She has got an infectious laughter. So please keep that. I truly cherish our friendship, and I treasure it as well. And then I met Shiv. Funnily, at a temple, if you remember, the first time. So little did I know, I think so at that time, that, well, he's the one. But the moment I think so. Livermore, exactly. What a coincidence. Yeah, the mandir. But the moment I met him, I think so, I was like, oh my God, this guy is so opposite. He is, he's so outgoing. He's such an extrovert. He has funny comebacks for everything. So, but I think so, indeed, like, all the drama aside, you guys, what is meant to be always happens in the end. And I wish you guys a really happy married life and an uneventful, drama-less. But yeah, congratulations. I wish you the best.
First one is Ashik. Come up on stage. Yes. Yeah, you can say whatever you want.
I didn't even prepare. I didn't even ask me ChatGPT.
It's okay. Yeah. So how I met Ashik is a very funny story. I used to run marathons in Singapore. You should believe it. I used to be a full course marathoner in Singapore about 12, 13, 14 years ago. Yeah, back when I was a kid. I fractured my ankle, and I was recovering, and I was on bed for about 5 months, and then after that I came back to running again. And at that point, I'm doing a 5K, and with great difficulty, I'm trying to finish within 45 minutes or something. That itself was very, very hard for me because of the fractured leg. And then, I don't know, some guy from behind is like, "Anna, you can do this! Anna, you can do this!" That's how we met. Some stranger was trying to motivate me to run. That's how I met, and then history speaks for itself. We have known ever since, and yeah, we still have that marathon sleeve that we carry. Yeah, it's been a wonderful journey. And Afreen, his wife, Inara, and Zaid, his kids, they're also family now. I'm Inara's godfather. So very nice to have them, and through all my ups and downs, they've been there for me. So yeah, it's his turn to talk actually.
Thanks, Shiva. Yeah, thanks for the introduction. So it's almost like more than a decade that I have known him, and more than a friend. All these years, what we have shared is he has been through my ups and downs too. Like when I was having a tough time in my life, like he was there. I lost my dad like few years back. At that time, when I was in like a very a tough situation, like the only person who stood beside me, like including myself as well as like my wife. So I really like, they really like look up to him, and I am so happy for him. And I'm so glad that at the end of his journey, like he found a beautiful like pearl, like Shweta, and I am so happy for them. And I'm so happy for them to have a beautiful journey all together. But so happy. Thank you. Thank you
guys. Turning tables, Mrs. Renuka, Jacob, please come on stage. Yeah, Renuka is from the bright side.
Hello everyone, can you hear me? Yeah. Hello? Yeah? Yeah. Hi, this is Renuka. I know Shweta from like I think 2014 because we both came to US for the masters, and then we have known each other from India because we made a WhatsApp group in India that all the computer science students who are coming to UFH. So we used to coordinate and then like have a roommate and then how to navigate through the Houston and the US journey. And I met Shweta for the very first time during the first class that we attended together. It was the machine learning class. Yeah, and then after that we actually became the roommates, and then we were roommates for like 2.5 years until like she went for a job and I also went somewhere else. But all this like 2.5 years was like a great journey with us because we shared a lot together. There are so many fun stories that we used to like do late night assignments. Like 12 is the deadline, and then we used to submit at 12:05, and then after that we used to go for since we have submitted the assignment and we wanted to celebrate, so we used to go to like brunch places to eat in the night the pancakes and the hash browns. And there were nights that we used to watch, like we both like horror movies a lot. So we used to watch in the night at 1 a.m., start a horror movie and watch till like 4 a.m. and then get scared and then like, hold hands while sleeping. Yeah, there's like, we were there for each other in all the ups and downs. I've seen her, how she grew, how I evolved, she evolved. We were there for each other a lot all these years, and I know she's very talented, very kind, very nicest person that I know, and I always wish best for her. And I'm so happy that she found Shiva, and I feel like you guys both deserve each other, and I wish you guys a life full of happiness.
Now from the groom side. Yeah, I came to America and joined CMU. One big reason that I paid 100K for that university is him. He recommended and asked me to come over, and then we became roommates. And that's how the journey starts. Yeah.
No, I think she's prepared a better speech, so I'll give it to her first.
I've really not prepared anything. Truly, I've got like 2 lines that I've practiced. Okay. Well, I'll say this. Shiv, you're lucky to have locked Shweta down as soon as you did, because she's way too far out of your league. She is the kindest person that truly I feel like I've met in many, many years. I think the first time we met was at Pizza Antica, and the moment we went home and played games, like, I knew she was for you, truly. And I thought, well, not only does he have the greatest partner now, I'm also gaining a great friend. You know, it's like, I feel like I've gotten so close to Shweta in such a short period of time, and it doesn't happen all the time that you just click with someone and can open up and just share your life and just discuss things, right? And that's so special. And Shiv, I mean, come on, you're my brother. The first time I met him, fun fact, we cried. Not in a bad way, in a really positive way. But we were sobbing outside of our apartment, just full-on sobbing on the side of the road. For good reasons. Nothing bad, don't worry. I wasn't mad at him. I think it was that moment that I knew that he would be a friend for life. I'm wishing you both all of the happiness and love in the entire world. You guys deserve each other, and I'm just so happy for you. Okay, now he's gonna try to top it.
Okay, guys, I know everybody wants to eat. Okay, but the food is actually out there. What we'll do after my speech, or if anyone else wants to talk, is we'll have one table at a time come, after a family, of course, take pictures, and then they can go and eat, okay? So it's like, yeah, I'll give the speech now. I mean, like, I actually wanted to write something, but then I figured that there are so many things that I cannot talk about, so what will I even write? But yeah, it's been a fun ride so far with Shiv. I don't know, I'm just like really short of words. When we met for the first time, this was on a Facebook group or some sort of a chat that this guy sends me 2016 or 2015, a random message that starts, and now like a lifelong friendship. It's been a great journey. So he sent that message to me on Facebook first. That's how we connected, and then he came over just on that belief that I am telling him that come to CMU, it will be good. And he actually came, he showed up, and we ended up staying together also. We were not supposed to. He was actually going to stay somewhere else, but then he stayed at our place, and then we just figured that, you know what, like, we don't want to lose you ever, and he just ended up being there for us. There are so many amazing stories that I can tell about Shiv, and I think you should be super lucky, Shweta, because I think there is nobody like him who can take care of you. Shiv means the destroyer, and he actually does destroy all the sadness from your life. Genuinely, whenever he's around, he will just take care of you like crazy. I think my friends can vouch for sure. He's taken care of the friends so much, and we all love him like a big brother. And I can totally imagine how amazing this guy is, and how lucky you should be also, from the bottom of my heart. And I can't cry, but I seriously feel the same thing that she did. But yeah, I think you guys are super lucky to have each other. And the day I met Shweta, I really felt that this is actually for lifelong. You're made for each other. Just stay like this. You guys stay blessed, and we all are incredibly happy for you. And I love, and I think seeing you the whole week and the families and the love, this has been incredible, guys. This is like nothing else that I've actually seen. So thank you for the families for being so amazing, and thank you for the couple for being so amazing, and just stay in love, and this is it, and this is all that we want for you.
Okay, one more, just one. Okay. I'd like to introduce my elder brother. His name is also Shiva. Please come on stage. Yeah, if you want to know why, okay. Yeah, he's a power lifter. It happens a lot. If you want to know why both of us are called Shiva Vasant, you should talk to my dad, who sits right there with a great eye. Yeah, we are both Shiva Vasant. Yeah. Can you say some words for me?
Where do I start? I think Shankar is probably one of those few people who have the biggest heart, right? And you'll not only see it, but he'll influence you to a point where this unconditional love that it becomes irresistible, right? So you got to learn the skill to sort of not only absorb that, but also make sure he's also taken care of. Right? He's almost selfless most of the time, and he doesn't realize that. So I kindly request you to make sure he gets some of that love too. But as an elder brother, I've seen him grow over the years, and lucky to have him as a brother. And I definitely say he's somebody who puts everyone else above him and beyond himself. So you're lucky to have him as your special half. This goes to you too, right? Now you have an innings to play, and this chapter of your life is probably more important than like any other chapter. So take care of her. We are lucky to be part of this journey too, right? Of course, you're getting married, don't forget us, but wish you all the best for the rest of the journey, right? Cheers.
Okay, guys, finally that moment is right. Food is ready. Eat, please. And I think the reason photographers are here for is also here. Yes, so let's have the families come first, take the picture, and then you guys can, like, of course. And then we'll go table by table, okay? Until then, they can. And others can start eating in the meantime, guys.
मैं चल चल के यूं तय जो करूं वो रास्ता भी तुम्हारा हो जहां पे बहना चाहूं मैं वो तेरा ही किनारा हो खुदाया इश्क में लिपटा हुआ रिश्ता हमारा हो मैं चल चल के यूं तय जो करूं रास्ता भी तुम्हारा हो
तेरा चेहरा लगे मुझको मेरे रब का नजारा हो मेरी खातिर ज़मीं पे भी लगे तुमको तारा हो मोहब्बत रोज ही हाँ रोज ही तुमसे
हर पल ही सफर जो करूं सफर तेरा ही यारा हो जहां पे बहना चाहूं मैं वो तेरा ही किनारा हो खुदाया इश्क में लिपटा हुआ रिश्ता हमारा हो मैं चल चल के यूं तय जो करूं वो रास्ता भी तुम्हारा आदत लगी ऐसे न बिन देखे गुजारा हो। मन जोगिया एक तू ही जोग है मेरा, दिल हो गया रोगिया और तू ही रोग है मेरा। मन जोगिया एक तू ही जोग है मेरा, दिल हो गया रोगिया और तू ही रोग है मेरा। उम्र भर मैं तेरी परवाह करूं के मर जाऊं जो तुझे रुस्वा करूं। तू सपने देखे जिन्हें मैं पूरा करूं के अब तो रब भी है दूजा पहला है तू। नेह का धागा जो लगायूं ना तोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू।
नेह का धागा जो लगायूं ना तोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू।
तेरे बिना मैं मेरे बिना तू जचता नहीं, दिल पे जो नाम और कोई रचता नहीं।
तेरे बिना मैं मेरे बिना तू जचता नहीं, दिल पे जो नाम और कोई रचता नहीं। हाँ संग तेरा जरूरी है, नाम मंजूर दूरी है। मेरे हंसने पे रोने पे हक बस है तेरा।
हर सुबह देखूं मैं चेहरा तेरा, तू सांसें बन जा मैं धड़कूं दिल की तरह। हाँ मेरी पलकों से ओझल हो ना तू ना के तुझको देखे बिना ना रह पाऊंगा।
मन जोगिया एक तू ही जोग है मेरा, दिल हो गया रोगिया और तू ही रोग है मेरा। मेरा।
मन जोगिया जोगिया एक तू ही जोग है मेरा। दिल हो गया रोगिया और तू ही रोग है मेरा। एह का धागा जो लागा यूं ना तोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू।
एह का धागा जो लागा यूं ना तोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू, ना छोड़ जाना तू।
पहली ही नजर में तू दिल में मेरे आने लगी, जादू सी छाने लगी क्यों बता। नींदे नींदे उड़ जाने लगी, सारी रात जगाने लगी, शायरी लिखवाने लगी क्यों बता। जाने वे जाने गल्ला दिल मर जाना वे, सच्चा जे इश्क होवे मिल ही जाना वे। तू है मैं चाहूं जिसे तू है, मैं मांगू जिसे तू है, जो दिल मेरा है तू है। तू है मेरा सारा जहां तू है, तो मुश्किल कहां तू है, सारी मंजिलें तू है।
अरे लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल। अरे लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल। देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला, लड़की नहीं है तू है गरम मामला। बोलती बंद मेरी कहूँ क्या भला, कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए। क्या नाच तू दिल्ली हिले है लंदन, मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन। क्या नाच तू दिल्ली हिले है लंदन, मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन। आग लगाने आई है बंठन, गोली चल गई धाए। नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती, नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती, टशन दिखाती फुल। अरे लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल।
चमचम कर दे हैगे हाय ब्रांड वे, एयरप्लेन मुंडिया दे मेरे हील पे होंदे लैंड वे। सैंडल मेरे चमचम कर दे हैगे हाय ब्रांड वे,